Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Let's forget about camera gear for a second. You don't need a new lens or a fancy camera to take better photos. The real secret, move your feet, change your angle. Step 1, move your feet. If you want a stronger composition, take a step or two closer. If you want to clean up a distracting background, shift to the side. And if you're looking for more depth or layers, change your position. Your feet are your most underrated photography tool, so use them. And step 2, change your angle. Go low for drama, go high for a clean graphic look. Tilt your frame for leading lines or extra energy. Changing angles makes visual interest. It makes your viewers see the scene in a new way. And this of course works whether you're using your DSLR or your phone. And here's a quick bonus. After you shoot, don't be afraid to crop. Cropping isn't cheating, it's refining. Use it to polish a story and cut the clutter. So remember, step 1, move your feet. Step 2, change your angle. And that's it. Now here's a quick challenge for you. Take one photo from eye level, then shoot the same scene from 2 other angles. Pick your favorite one, tag me, and I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you want the full video version of this, it's right here. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.